we're baking cupcakes. What's up, YouTube? This project was inspired by Silly Sculptures. She makes all kinds of spooky stuff. Now you can check her out on Instagram. A link to her social and her Etsy shop will be in the description box down below. But until then, let's get to baking.
Hold up.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I used a cupcake pan and some Sculpey Ultralight and some leftover clay to pre-bake the foundation for the cupcakes. I went ahead and also pre-cut a smaller and a larger circle and a strip of colored clay. It is Sculpey 3. Go ahead and put the smaller one on the base. Take that strip and just wrap it all the way around the surface of the cupcake. Now take the larger circle and pat it there and blend all the edges. Now I'm using this pen tool here, but I have no idea what she used.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing it really, really well.
And it's still looking pretty good. We're using the ball stylus to get those places for the eyes. You gotta take another ball stylus and create those neat little swirly textures in those eyes. Take out 2 little balls of clay. I'm using white right here to smoosh in for the eyes, and another ball stylus to jab some holes in there. Using this old filthy toothbrush to create a nice texture on the top of this cupcake and just pound it out. Looking good. I did the same thing with some Super Sculpey Original for the other cupcake. Like so. And there he is. Go ahead and take some other colored clay of your choosing and smoosh out some little patties there just to create some gorgeous looking icing. And I'm taking this long tapered snake of clay on this one and just wrapping around till I get the desired little Dairy Queen swirl going on over here. And like so. Throw some balls of colored clay, and we're just going to strategically place them wherever your heart desires all over this adorable cupcake. And we'll add another one. Looking good per usual. And we added some sprinkles, which was just some snakes of clay just chopped up and just placed. However, going to be painting this guy to offset the other. A nice lime green. Off camera, it took about 3 coats to achieve the effect that I wanted. And let's add some more. Now we're going to take a lighter green and just dry brush it across the surface in the ridges, bringing out all those wonderful details. The same with the colored one, but just adding a little bit of white just to bring out some more details. Going in with a little bit of watered down black and just lathering it all up in there, using my finger, swiping up to give it a little bit of a burnt effect, and then going back over the eyes with white to give them that dimension I was looking for. And we're doing these simultaneously together, so we're not skipping any steps. And we're just going to paint that one purple. We are using Folk Art Matte Acrylics for this whole project. And dry brushing a little lighter purple on it as well. And now watch me just painfully get paint everywhere as I paint these sprinkles. Did a little bit of touching up behind camera, but I'm definitely not perfect. And they are done! My take on Silly Sculptures cupcakes are complete. Now let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But until then, on to their glamour shots. If you made it this far, I got a sweet Silly Sculpture inspired video right here. Have a good one.